Hello guys, here I am. I'm in Orange Bay, Portland, and I am by this beautiful river that empties out into the sea. So I don't know if you guys watch the Jamaican YouTubers I should say, because I've seen multiple videos with them, just coming in this area, having a great time cooking and just exploring with their guests. So yeah, so I heard that this is spring water. I'm not sure what the name of this river is, but this is where like they bottle the lifespan water, other type of bottled water in Jamaica. But yeah, this is, I don't know, I'm going at this water. It's clear,